Hello everybody. Just got done baling hay and getting back in, and made a little bit of video about it. Wasn't too good, but it's hard to do that stuff when you ain't got the magnets and stuff and to film on. But it is what it is. You need a washer, you don't have to. But people, I'm gonna tell you something. There's something bad coming to this country, because I'm going to tell you what, we can't keep on letting the blue parts of the country, the big cities, rule the rest of the country. Actually, I believe there's a war coming between the blue cities and the rural part of America, which the rural part's mostly conservative. I look at myself as a Christian conservative with Christian values, because that's what this country was founded on. This country was founded under God. They're trying to take God out of everything. You know, they're trying to push an agenda, and you know, with AI coming along, who knows what's going to happen with you know, with job losses, and they keep on with their social programs, taxing more and more and more. And people, you can just tax people so much that they've not got the money to pay their bills and live. It's happening now. You know, I thank God I live where I live, and able to grow my own food, and of course you don't grow everything, but it helps to grow a good garden. And you know, they're trying to push small farms and ranches out of business. A corporate farm people and corporate ranches, more or less, are government. They're big corporations. They get government subsidies that's run, and they want to push us out where, you know, you've got a choice. They want to take the choice away from American people. You have no choice. You know, that's what a lot of this election was about, to put President Trump in there, was they were trying to take our choice away and shove socialism down our throat. And the battle is not over, people. We're still in a battle of good and evil. So think about that when you go to vote these people in office. Think about your children and grandchildren, their future. And if you're about to start a family, think about their future. It's just it's a spiritual battle, it's a political battle, it's all rolled into one. But I can tell you one thing, I'm not ashamed to say that I believe in Jesus Christ died for my sins. I can tell you that right now. And people try to shame me. I'm not ashamed of it. I'll shout it to the highest hill. But that's about all I've got to say today. Good Lord willing, I'll see you next time, and God bless each and every one of you. And remember, people, let's get these American First candidates for America, for the American people, elected not for themselves and their families and get filthy rich. Think about that when you research your candidates. God bless you. Hello everybody. Well, we've got just to make everything we've got baled that we've got down. Unfortunately, we had about 50 acres that got rained on. We'd like about 30 acres yet to cut. We'll have all 300 acres in the bale. So it's been a challenge with the baler turning up this year, and little problems out of the tractor that I didn't account for. It is what it is. lot of steep ground this part of the country. And we tied on the hill. What we do? Wonderful. Try this hill one more time. Got my boy Dale wrecking today. He's smarter than Dale and Kelly. They like open deck tractors to rake it, but Dale, he got him air conditioning today going on. He's smart. There he is, sitting there. Hello, Dale. Okay, everybody, get off here and get the rest of this build, and we'll talk about what's coming to this country here in a minute, or this evening when I get down. See you later.